Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to access Tools folder by tapping on it and choose Recorder app. Now click Allow in all of the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can start my recording by tapping on the red button right away. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, tap on the same button. If you want to add a bookmark, click on the flag icon on the left, and if you wish to end it and save it, click on the check mark on the right. Now you can delete your recording right away by showing click and delete, or you can name it and save it by tapping on OK. Now click on the same left button over here to access the list of all your recordings. If you wish to play it, just click on it. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it, click on delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!